Mamelodi Sundowns may have fallen short of reaching the knockout stages at the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup, but their campaign will be remembered for its resilience, spirited performances, and a significant financial windfall. The Premier Soccer League giants kicked off their Group F journey in style with a 1-0 victory over South Korean outfit Ulsan Hyundai. They followed that with a hard-fought 4-3 defeat to European powerhouse Borussia Dortmund before settling for a goalless stalemate against Brazil's Fluminense to close out their campaign. The Brazilians finished third in the group with 4 points just behind Dortmund and Fluminense, while Ulsan HG languished at the bottom. Despite their early exit, the Brazilians emerged as the most successful African team in the tournament in terms of points collected. The Pretoria-based side's performance was handsomely rewarded. Sundowns pocketed a staggering 228 million rand in total earnings from the tournament. Here's the breakdown. Participation fee was 174 million rand. Victory over Ulsan Hyundai, 36 million rand. Draw against Fluminense, 18 million rand. Their impressive earnings not only topped the charts among African representatives, but also put them in a strong position ahead of the upcoming transfer window. With the tournament now behind them, the Sundowns squad will enjoy a well-earned break after a grueling season that saw them clinch the Betway Premiership title, finish as CAF Champions League finalists, reach the Nedbank Cup semi-finals, and make a notable appearance on the global stage. While the club has yet to confirm pre-season dates, preparations for the 2025-2026 campaign are expected to begin in the coming weeks. Coach Miguel Cardoso is likely to stay at the helm despite mixed reactions from fans following the team's club world exit. Several players are tipped to leave either on transfer or loan to make room for fresh talent. The windfall from the tournament will no doubt aid the club in bolstering its squad as it looks to remain dominant on the domestic front and push further in the continental competitions. As always, eyes will be on Globe to see the club reinvents its newfound resources and builds the future. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.